Hey there, hope you're having a great day. Let me quickly walk you through your first blood pressure reading with the Omron BP monitor. But before we begin, here are a few expert tips to improve your experience. Once you have chosen a doctor-recommended BP monitor, you have to select the right cuff size. A cuff size of 16 by 30 works for most adults. But if your arm is larger than average, we'd recommend a cuff size of 16 by 36. The HEM 7124 comes with a variable cuff, so you can adjust your own size. BP values can differ between your right and left arm. Omron recommends that you use the same arm for all your measurements. You should also remove any tight fitting, thick clothing, or any accessories from your upper arm before you take your measurement. The first measurement should be taken in the morning, before eating, bathing, exercising, or any medications, and the second in the evening. You should avoid tobacco, caffeine, and alcohol for at least 30 minutes before taking your measurement. You can visit the washroom before your reading, as a full bladder can increase your BP slightly. Now, this is how you can take your first reading. First and foremost, relax. Find a quiet place with room temperature and sit comfortably for a few minutes. Sit with your legs uncrossed and your feet flat on the floor. Ensure that your back is supported and your elbows are placed on a table, desk, or a chair arm. Straighten and stretch out your arm. Your monitor should be approximately at the same level as your heart. Now, pass your arm through the cuff. Ensure that the bottom edge of the cuff is 1 or 2 centimeters above your elbow, and the marker is centered around the middle of your arm. Now, fasten the fabric fastener firmly, but make sure that it's not too tight. You should be able to slide in a finger or two under the cuff. Take a relaxing breath. Press start and wait for the cuff to do its magic. Sit still while it inflates and deflates. Do you feel any pain because of the cuff pressure? Don't worry. This usually goes away in 30 seconds. But if the pain is unbearable, you should reach out to a doctor. It will take 30 seconds for the monitor to display your readings. It is very easy to pair your Omron BP monitor with the Phable app. Open the Phable app and tap on the My Health tab located in the bottom menu. Tap on the plus icon next to blood pressure and you will see a new screen with a BP measuring scale. Now, choose the date and time, record the systolic and diastolic BP values from your Omron device and click on Save on the top right of your screen. You will receive an instant feedback from the Phable app on your BP levels. And that's it. You can access your entire BP log from the blood pressure screen whenever you need it. If you have a Bluetooth device like the Omron HEM 6232T, you can pair it with the Phable app using the My Devices screen from the main menu. To track and sync your readings, install and open the Omron Connect app. Click on the camera button on the home screen. This will open a scanner. Now scan your readings, add the date and time, and confirm the values. Your reading will automatically be synced with the Phable app. And with this, we welcome you to a stress-free lifestyle with Phablecare. Good day.